Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm doing these starry kind of nails, and if you're interested how I did these nails, then keep on watching. So I'm starting off with my bare nails, and I grabbed my Macart stiletto full cover nail tips, and these are the medium length. And today I wanted to try the lazy girl method, and this method basically you put the polygel into the full cover tip, and then you kind of just place that onto your nail, and that's pretty much it. So to do this method, I'm going to start off by applying Macart's base coat because it's the polygel I'm going to be using today. And I'm applying a thin layer of this to all my natural nails, and then you want to just cure this for 30 seconds. Next, I'm grabbing one of the tips that fits my thumb and applying a layer of base coat. This is because I want to press on some flakes and some glitter into these nails, so you'll see that that's definitely going to help, and that will help the glitter stick just like that. You could also apply a thin layer of clear, but in my opinion it's just quicker with the base coat, and it's just easier to, for example, move the glitter around, and the nails are also less bulky. So next I'm placing in these iridescent flakes that I got from AliExpress, and I'm in love with flakes. I absolutely love them so much, especially with this set. The dark color that I used on top really made the flakes pop. So I'm just placing the flakes pretty much all over the nail, and also adding one or two pieces of a star glitter or a moon glitter, as you'll see in a minute. And I just put that in the light to cure for 30 seconds, and I'm just moving on to the next nail. So the good thing about this method is you can maneuver the nail tip however you like to help you position or work with your polygel, and it just helps everything to become such an easy process. I really like this method, and the results I got from it just were really amazing, and it looks like I put so much time and so much effort into my nails, but really I just placed them on my nails. I didn't really have to do any I didn't have to do too much work with my polygel. It was pretty much just making sure that it was nice and even in the tip, and that's pretty much it. And the way I work with my polygel is I basically apply the base coat gel to the polygel, and I just use that as my slip solution to move it around, and it works so well because I like to use the base coat gel as slip instead of acetone or that I'm not sure what that other slip solution is that you get with some of the polygel kits, but using base coat gel is just a complete game changer. So if you're not using that already, then please give it a try. I guarantee you will definitely love it. So next I'm using this shade. It's called Indigo from Macart's Rainbow Polygel Kit, and the tubes for this polygel are quite big. They're 30 mils, and this is the perfect royal blue polygel that I've ever seen, and it also blended super nice, and it complemented the glitter I used from a Fairy Gathering polygel kit so well. So yeah, that's what it looks like, and I was so happy to see that the colors were just so beautiful together, and the glitters and everything was perfect. So the good thing about this is you can look at your nail before you place it onto your natural nails and secure it. So as you could see, there was a bit of blue there that wasn't blended, so I blended that, and now I applied that to my nail. You do not want to press this down, you just want to place it on and make sure that it's fitting your sidewalls well. Just check the sides, and then cure that for 60 seconds and apply top coat to the bottom because you don't want that to be sticky. Now I'm using this shade from I forgot what polygel kit it was from, but I will be linking all the polygel kits I've used in this video down below, and I believe that was shade 1705 maybe. I'll have it on screen. This is another favorite polygel of mine, not my most favorite, but definitely my second favorite. It's a nice shimmery light blue polygel, And with all of Makat's polygels, they're super easy to work with, super nice. The colors that you get with Makat, they're just so different. Nobody else has these colors so far, so I love working with Makat. And this nude shade that I'm using is also from a different polygel kit, which I will link down below. I can't remember off the top of my head which one it is because I do have a couple kits, so just make sure to check out the description box below for that. As for the flakes, I believe I already mentioned that they are from AliExpress. These were ridiculously cheap, as you would know with AliExpress, and I will also link those down below. And now once I've basically done that little blend, I'm just popping that onto my nail, and there you go. That nude color looks really good on me. Like, I didn't notice it until I started using it more often, but yeah, that kit definitely comes with a nice nude shade. Again, I don't remember the kit's name off the top of my head, but it will be down below. So this is going to be a middle finger. It's pretty much the same thing. I'm adding some star and moon glitters, and those are also from AliExpress, and then I'm popping the flakes right on top. And that's pretty much it. Just make sure that you fill up your nail tip with a good amount of base coat gel, because that way your glitters will be just so much easier to maneuver and they won't keep sticking to your brush. And this is my first time doing this, so I hope that I'm doing this correctly. Let me know what you think down below. And I also want to let you guys know that I do have a discount code with Makat. It's nails by Kamin, and I'll have it in the description box below for 15% off your purchase at makat.com. And this is an affiliate link, so I do make a small commission from it. So thank you to everyone who has used that. It really means a lot. And also thank you to everyone who has subscribed, liked and commented on pretty much most of my videos, or any of my videos really. It means a lot and it really helps my really small channel grow. So thank you so much, and yeah, I really hope that you are enjoying this video, and if you are, don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe, because I love working with Polygel and I love doing nail reviews. I just love it all. So yeah, definitely hit that subscribe button. So this shade here is called Violet. Yes, it's called Violet. And again, this is from the Makat's Rainbow Polygel kit. And this now looked so nice. I feel like this purple would have looked super nice with like a pink set, like a nice pinky set. But it still looked okay with this blue. I'm not mad at it. I really like how everything looked together in the end. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. Have you tried the lazy girl method? Do you would you always recommend it, or do you go back to the old style and use tips and then apply? Like, which one do you prefer? Because I've definitely done both on my channel, and I would say so far I'm still with the tips, like not this method so far, but I'm still with my tips. But I am going to be doing this more often, and honestly, for the results I got for the first time of me ever trying this method, the nails are absolutely stunning. So I could be converting to this method very soon, but I will always be doing some videos with nail tips, because I know there are some people out there who still like that method, and I do still love it. I guess it depends on how I feel. But yeah, let me know down below which method you prefer. So now I'm just finishing off this nail. I decided to keep it a bit, I don't want to say simple, because there's nothing simple about this set, but I wanted to keep two of the nails matching, because I feel like I didn't want to add too many colors. I didn't want to take away from that blue theme. So I kind of just kept this nail the same as the pointer finger, and yeah, it looked good. I really liked this style of nail, the stiletto shape. But I am really interested in trying Makat's their new extra long coffin tips and the half tips, I think they're called, like the ones where you stick on the free edge. I really want to try those, the like extra long ones, because those, I saw pictures of them and I've also seen some other like people review them, and they so far look really good, like really good. So it's something I definitely want to try. Let me know if you have used those and what you think. I'm really interested to know. So again, just finishing off the set with that last finger. I did 2 stars on this one, and just because my pinky finger is like really tiny, so I couldn't fit a moon on there, but I kept the stars. This glitter, can I just say how stunning it is? It's from a fairy gathering. It's like the bluish kind of glitter, and it's super nice. And it just, I don't know, when I applied the top coat, and I'm gonna put a clip of me showing you guys the nails with flash at the end, you'll see how beautiful this glitter is. And I also want to say that the camera does not do these nails justice. Like, it's much more iridescent and glittery and sparkly in real life. So yes, that's definitely a nice kit to have. The Macquart's A Fairy Gathering Polygel kit is definitely one of the must-haves for me. So now onto my filing. I was surprised how quickly I filed these nails. Of course, I don't have to do like any smoothing out on the surface, so it was just me tidying up the shape a little bit and fixing that cuticle area, because although the nails were nice and flat, I wanted to there was the tiniest little ledge there, so I just filed that away, and it just took about a couple of seconds and it was all good to go. As for the shape, you can always keep the shape as it is, but personally I just wanted it a bit more narrow, a bit more pointy, so that's just up to personal preferences, I guess. But yeah, filing these nails is super easy. I'm using the Macquart JD 700 e-file, which is amazing. It's been going strong for a whole 2 years, and it hasn't even like failed me once. So definitely get yourself this drill. It's about, I believe, £60 for me, but Macquart does do sales and stuff, so you can definitely get some money off that, or you could use like my discount code at Nails by Kamin. That will give you 15% off Macquart's products from their website at macquart.com. Okay, so now my favorite bit. This is what the nails look like before they are filed, and now I'm just applying the Macquart top coat, which I've kind of run out of because I love it so much. But yeah, now I'm top coating, and as you can see, that star and that glitter, like that polygel glitter, is just so nice. I'm really happy I have that kit. I'm definitely going to be buying that one again once the polygel, even if the blue polygel's out, I definitely will be buying another one of that, because yeah, I just love it so much. And it just, you can use it on any nail look and it will just make that nail look so amazing. So Macquart's polygel is really long lasting. It lasts me about 2 weeks before I start to see any chipping or any dulling of the top coat. And yeah, but that's usually when I like to change my nails about, unless I'm filming. And before I cure, I also do this where I clean up the sides, because I want to retain the shape of that nail. Finish off with your favorite cuticle oil. This is an almond cuticle oil. It's really nice and thick, and it really helps to moisturize my nails. Make sure you just rub that in super well. You want to bring all that hydration back in. And this is it. This is the final look. I really like how these nails turned out. They were quick. I probably did them in like half an hour or less. And yeah, these are absolutely stunning. I love them so much. They're so pretty. And stay tuned, because I'm gonna be showing you guys. There it is. Like, look how nice they are with flash. Like, they are just so nice. I love them. And yeah, so if you did enjoy this video, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.